All right, good morning. It is October 28th, and I am going to attempt to start the Tatum with the LS3 stroker in it after Dardantuned did a flash file on it day before yesterday. I've been messing with it, and so it hasn't really had a chance to do a complete cold start. And I'm going to do this with you guys. And let's put this guy on the fire and see how good he is. Okay, so real quick, I just opened up my Terminator software. I'm going to go down here, turn on my ignition, get this thing linked up. USB link, get from ECU. Okay, so where we're at right now is our live data is showing us at 60 degrees. And we're showing 63.5 degrees at the sensor. So this is in fact going to be a true cold start. Here we go. So far, so good. Big thumbs up from Puppy. Hasn't died. That's what I was looking for. I think we got it, Dart.